Hey, what's going on everyone? Tom here, the consultant. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, if you're not following me on Twitter, certainly check that out because I give a lot more announcements and updates over there. You can see the link down in the description, and it's also up here on in the banner. I think it's the overlay. Well, it's not an overlay. It's like whatever. It's a banner. Whatever. But if you noticed over the weekend, I did announce that I signed up for the TopStep $50,000 evaluation. So I started step 1 on Monday. I signed up on Saturday, got my credentials on Sunday, was able to start trading, first thing Monday morning. It was a really smooth process. Really enjoy that. I mean, there's really no hiccups with that. So kudos to TopStep for getting that. That process streamlined. That's really nice. So this video is kind of going to be on Wednesday, so it's kind of going to be another bit of a series that I'm going to be doing. So there's going to be a video on Wednesday, and there's going to be a video on Friday. The Wednesday is going to be kind of more of like a midweek report, kind of how that's going to cover Monday and Tuesday, and then a video for on Friday that kind of wraps up the entire week, kind of as a debrief. And the reason why I split that up is because Monday and Tuesday, the market tends to react a little bit different than it does like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Basically, I'm just kind of go over, how the week went. Some good trades, some bad trades, some things that I need to work on. But yeah, let's without further ado, let's kind of dive into Monday and Tuesday. So yesterday and Monday. So here we are. This is my trading report dashboard. I'm gonna try not to scroll up and divulge too much information here. So you can see I was at this $50,000 50K one step. This is step number 1, round 1, whatever you want to call it. Let's see. So I have a profit target of $3,000 with a $1,000 daily loss limit, and I believe it's $2,000 is the overall downside that I can do. So there's a trailing stop of the overall loss. So I mean, as you can see, I can't go below 48,133. So let's scroll down. So my start date was November 14th. So day 1, come on, show me. No. Okay. We'll scroll down. And we'll talk about this. Yeah, this dashboard's kind of laggy for some reason. So, all right, let's let's look at this. November 14th. So if you saw my Twitter post, it did say I think it was 148 something. That was gross. I did not factor in commissions, so my bad. So overall net P&L for Monday was 133.15. And then I had 26 contracts, 13 trades overall. So I had commissions of 1560. That was round trip. So I'm trading the micro E-mini. So about 60 cents per side commission, or $1.20 round trip. So a really good day. Just shy of actually what. My goal is $150 per day. As to whether or not I hit that, whatever. I'm more than willing to take my time. So Monday, again, really good day. Tuesday, November 15th. I started off a little rough. I have 14 trades, so I had one more trade than yesterday, or one more trade than Monday. So I traded. And so my low of the day, so again, I started off kind of rough, really early. This 110, you know, negative 110, was really early, and this, so I had some help of that, you know, that breaking news on the Ukrainian missile, the Poland missile news, breaking news piece. That kind of helped me because I was actually already short. I believe I'd actually been shorting for most of the day. But that really helped me out. That bolstered me up. I did, and actually I'll show you. But anyway, so I ended the day on Jigsaw. It showed I was positive 1250, but you know, once you factor in commissions, I was actually negative. But I'm fine with that. So let's actually look at yesterday real fast. So this is yesterday's session. I think so. I was actually short here at 4,000, and I ended up getting out. I believe where was it? I believe it was somewhere around the 3980 mark, I believe. And I knew something had happened, and you know, there was news coming in. I didn't know what it was, and the market was moving a little fast at that point. I ended up just cutting my trade, and my goal, my actual target was down here between 3967 and 3963, actually, not the 64, but the 63. Had I held onto it and actually done my original plan, which was, I think I had 2 contracts, and my overall strategy is typically to walk in about 10 ticks or so, take some profit, and then if it pulls back and you know, the DOM is showing, you know, proper selling pressure and we're actually moving towards that, I'll buy back in, or add to the position again. And I didn't do that because I knew that you know, there was something going on, and I ended up cutting the trade. But my overall strategy was to actually, my thought process was to trail the stop and walk it down. So, you know, given, you know, what's going on here on these other, this next wick or this next candle, I don't think I would have made it down here anyway. I would have been stopped out. So I took the profits anyway. I missed out on about, I think, roughly 25-30 points, but I'm fine with it. I'd rather, you know, err on the side of caution rather than you know, take a massive loss. So yeah, and then I think right at that point I kind of decided, you know, I'm not going to trade you know, the aftermath of the news. You know, we did pull back up a good 25, you know, not starting from down here. Starting from down here, it would have been, you know, a good 40 points. So I decided not to trade it, and instead I just kind of cut my losses. I was already at break even, so it's like, you know, I'm done. I'll live to trade another day. So that was actually, you know, that's actually just kind of my trading day up to so far. So I'll kind of give you guys a little bit of insight where I'm at today. Hold on, come on, get back over here. Yeah, my platform is lagging because of this. VWAP is just kind of dancing all over the place. It's driving me crazy. So this is today so far. I've been short the market. I'm up $62 gross. It doesn't include commissions. Actually, I really haven't had too many, so that's what, 4 or 5. Yeah, I mean, that's probably about $55 or so. For the most part, you know, what we see there is the short from, you know, roughly 4,000. I think I got out at 77. Did we get down to 77? No. Okay, so it would have been about 39.85. So I've been playing this area right here short. And I've kind of taken a break a little bit. So yeah, looks like we hit the overnight. No, that's actually, what is that? Yeah, that's the overnight low. So I'm actually going to go over this setup, kind of how I do my pre-trade checklist. and you know, if you've worked with TopStep before in the past, you probably already know what that checklist is. But I'm going to go over it and kind of because I've kind of tailored it to the strategy that I'm using overall. So other than that, be good. You know, hopefully we can get some good trades in. I haven't had a loss today yet. I'm you know, I don't know. We'll see where we go. I've got to keep my losses short. So, you know, while you know, this risk reward ratio or this reward to risk is always going to be high. It's the way I trade. You know, I don't know. We'll get to that in another video, but I don't want to make this video too long for the midweek. Fridays will probably be long enough. So, you know, the next couple videos going forward in the coming weeks will probably be much shorter. Probably just cover Monday, Tuesday, and overall feeling, and just call it at that. So, other than that, guys, if you are interested in any of the tools that I use, Quantower for Forex, and I use Quantower for Forex and crypto. Link is down in the description for that, for some discounts. Jigsaw Day Trader, they have that's the platform that I use. There's a link down in the description for that as well. If you buy the Order Flow Foundations course, you actually get the platform with it. That's why it's so expensive. I think it's roughly about $750, but it's definitely worth it. You get a lot of resources, and I mean, the platform is great. I've not had any problems with it, but you know, it's got realistic fills on the replays, which is really nice. You don't see that with a lot of other platforms. A lot of times, you know, even if there's 150 or 300 pending orders, a lot of other platforms will just fill you in right away. This one actually queues you up in a simulated manner, so really good. I've been satisfied with it. There's links down in the description for that. You get a discount. Other than that, check out. I've also got links down there for TopStep. There's a link in there for a free trial and a 20% discount for the 50K trial. Or I think it's 20% on really anything that you choose. So go ahead and check that out. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later.